Hello, my little wizards. I think it's time to talk about the 4 seasons of the year. There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. In this video, you will learn some words and also some phonics. I hope you have fun. Level AA. It is fall. Scythe word. The, the, the. The leaf. The leaf. The leaf. Now, if the next word after the begins with a vowel sound with A, E, I, O, U, the will say the. For example, the apple. The apple. The apple. The acorn. The acorn. The acorn. Very good. Good job. Now, let's practice more words. The corn. The corn. The pumpkin. The pumpkin. The rake. The rake. The rake. The moon. The moon. The moon. The coat. The coat. The coat. Now let's review our second book. Level AA, Spring. We add S to must nouns to make them plural, which means more than one. For example, bird becomes birds and bike becomes bikes. The ball. The ball. The ball. The bike. The bike. The bike. The bikes. The bikes. The bikes. Let's practice the S sound. S, s, s. Let's read this one again. The bikes. The bikes. Good job. The bird. The bird. The bird. The birds. The birds. Let's practice the S sound. S, s, s. The birds. The birds. Good job. Let's go for our next page. The flower. The flower. The flower. The flowers. The flowers. Let's practice the S sound. S, s, s. The flowers. Good job. Now, let's say the rain. The rain. The rain. The rainbow. The rainbow. The rainbow. The bunny. The bunny. The bunny. Now let's learn some sentences. Here we go. Let's practice how to answer the question, what can you see? I can see the bird. I can see the bird. I can see the bird. What can you see? I can see the birds. I can see the birds. Let's practice the S sound. S. Letter S says S. I can see the birds. What can you see? I can see the flower. I can see the flower. I can see the flowers. I can see the flowers. Now, let's learn about our third book, Winter. To learn about this book, we're going to practice some phonics first. So S and letter N together say sna, 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 snow, snow. Good job. Now, let's read. The snow, the snow, the snow. The snowman, the snowman, the snowman. Now, letter S and K together say ska, 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 like in skates, skates, skates. Let's read. The skates, the skates, the skates. Now letter S and L together say sla, 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 sled, sled, sled. The sled, the sled. The mittens, the mittens, the mittens. The coat, the coat, the coat. The fire, the fire, the fire. Now we're going to review the book about summer. Summer, the sunshine, the sunshine, the sunshine. Now let's practice also some phonics. A and I together say A. A and I makes a long A sound like in the word rain, 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 rain. Let's read. The rained, the rained, the rained. Now, E and A together say E. E and A makes a long E sound like in the word beach. Let's read. Beach, the beach, the beach. The swimsuit, the swimsuit. The bowl, the bowl, the bowl. The garden, the garden, the garden. The flowers, the flowers, the flowers. Thanks for watching the English Magic Show today. Did you enjoy learning about the 4 seasons? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the magic bell so you don't miss any of our next adventures. See you soon, little wizards. Keep the magic alive!